Tyler has gone crazy. He got so bored, he decided he's going to just rip all this apart for no reason. Destroy it completely.
This is how great of a job this builder, I'm not going to say any names, does. Come over here. Why on earth a professional concrete people would not tie it into the foundation is beyond me. For an extra $1,500. So if you ever buy a house, make sure it's tied to here, and that the porch is not an afterthought to the house. So you don't have to dig it up like that. I'm not a concrete man, but I do a job right. If I can't do it, well, supposedly you're supposed to pay somebody to do it, but I don't know. Apparently people don't have pride in their work. So, we are going to start on building a new deck here. And
do you have plans, or have you not gotten there yet?
So, I've never had plans. I built this nice rabbit cage over here because, again, the one that I bought for $300 at a supply company, two rabbits destroyed it in about 2 months. So I built this bad boy, 3 levels.
Call it the Bunny Mansion.
Yeah, we call it the Bunny Mansion. But it's weathered a couple winters now, and it's insulated, and it just needs cleaned out because it's full of rabbit raisins. At least that's what we told the neighbor boy when I was a kid. So yeah, my plan is we're gonna rip this out, haul it off piece by piece, then we're gonna build a porch that I don't know what it's gonna look like when it's done, but it'll look better than this. So keep watching, keep subscribing, and we'll show you the finished product later. Using my nice snap-on pry bar, since I don't really mechanic anymore. They come in great use for around the yard tools. You don't need to go out and buy probably a $150 pry bar though. This is what we do fun on the quarantine.
What have you been doing?
So, I've taken out quite a bit. I've only got about an hour into this job, even though it's later in the day. I went and bought this tool right here, and it's definitely not a jackhammer, but when I do get it cracked with the sledgehammer, it peels it right off. So, I've been hauling it away in the wheelbarrow, and it's a lot of work. But I would like to say that before, because I get really ambitious to do something, I didn't have gloves on. So make sure you have gloves, because I have a big old fat blister. Because the typewriter just doesn't really give me calluses where I got my blister. So, typewriter, computer, shows my age. So wear gloves, wear safety glasses, and don't get hurt. But what else was I going to say?
You gonna show them?
Yeah. So I bought this for like $100, and it just kind of peels it away. Like I said, it's not a jackhammer, but it works better than what I was doing. But that's not a really good example because it didn't have it broke quite loose. So normally I was gonna have to kind of beat at it, and
So you still have to hit it with the hammer.
still have to hit it with a hammer. I didn't want to spend a ton of money on it. So I mean, where I bought this, shoot, it might not last very long. So I don't know.
So it does take part of the time off because you're not having to hammer everything, just enough for a crack, right?
Yeah, and then you just peel it back and break it up.
How's your back?
Oh, it feels amazing, actually. You know, feels pretty good.
You don't need any painkillers or anything?
Ask me tomorrow morning. I might not be able to get out of bed.
Don't worry, guys. I will film, let you know how the next day is.
I might be exceeding the limits of this trailer, not sure. We'll find out.
As you break the window.
Bigger go home. Now you're talking.
Oh, what am I talking about?
Just how hard this has been for you.
This has been very hard.
Labor intensive?
It's been crazy.
Hey, have you broke?
Mentally, it's just gotten to me. Physically, I'm out of breath. And it's freezing out there. I think I'm gonna go in. All right.
Everything hauled off, 10 by 10 slab and the porch all fit in a short bed truck in this tiny little trailer. So, but we might have excessed the weight of this trailer, so we'll see if it holds up. fireplace 5,000. Well, because poor
Sorry.
people will have 4 ways. This is my dump trailer. Okay, you're on candid camera.
Oh, really?
So you got to pretend to work here. She's helping. She's picking this up
He
and
decided to put me to work, so I can't supervise anymore. He's behind the camera now. What the heck?
thanks, babe. She's complaining that it was cold.